Hi everyone, so I will be explaining you about distillation. Now if you have a solution of, let's say, sugar and water, and you want to separate the sugar from it, so sugar is soluble in water, so any soluble solid, and you want to get that soluble solid, so one way is by doing crystallization. So you allow the solvent to evaporate or you heat it out. When you get a saturated solution, you're going to filter off the crystal. So you have crystallization. Now, if you want to get the solvent now, so you don't want the sugar, you want only the pure water, so then we use simple distillation. So simple distillation is used to separate a pure liquid from a solution. For example, to obtain pure water from a mixture of salt and water. So how do we do simple distillation? So you have a heating setup. So here in this round bottom flask, this is called a round bottom flask, you will have your mixture. So your solution will be here. So your salt, water will be here. And in this solution, I'm going to be adding boiling stones, which are also called boiling chips. Now these boiling stones, boiling chips, they prevent excessive bubbling when we will be heating our mixture. So we have a source of heat here, so you will have a Bunsen burner over here. So the Bunsen burner is going to heat up the mixture. So you have the boiling stones added to prevent the mixture from bubbling too much. When the mixture is heated, so because water is a liquid and you're heating it, eventually the liquid is going to turn into a gas. Now this gas is going to go up, to move up, and where it reaches here, you have the thermometer. And if you look at the thermometer, the bulb of the thermometer is not inside the mixture. The bulb of the thermometer is above the mixture. The thermometer is actually measuring the temperature of this gas. So the temperature of the gas is going to be the temperature at the boiling point. So this is one way for you to monitor if a pure liquid is being produced. So if you have pure water, so this should indicate 100 degrees, which is the boiling point of that water. If you have alcohol, for example, you're doing distillation of alcohol, it should show the boiling point of alcohol, which is around 79 degrees Celsius. So here, the bulb will show the temperature of the gas, that is the boiling point of the pure liquid. Now this gas is going to move into the tube over here, into the delivery tube here, and it goes into a structure known as the condenser. So just like the name suggests, a condenser is used to condense a gas. So the gas will condense and will form liquid. So you have the liquid, the pure liquid that will form here, that will be collected in a receiver. Now, so the condenser actually consists of water that is going to cool down the hot gas passing into the tube at the center. So the hot gas is going to be cooled down. So you have water that flows inside the condenser. So you have water that goes in from the bottom and water that goes out from the top. So you have a constant flow of water inside the condenser. So this ensures that the water inside the condenser remains cold. So you have cold water surrounding a hot gas that is coming inside in the middle tube here. So the hot gas is cooled down and the hot gas forms a liquid. So this pure liquid is collected in the receiver. Now there is some precaution that should be taken when doing simple distillation. So the thermometer should not dip into the solution. The thermometer bulb should be placed at the side arm here. So the bulb should be placed at the side arm to show the temperature of the gas. Second precaution, cold water enters the condenser from the bottom and leaves from the top. This ensures that the condenser remains cold. And also you see there is a down slope here. This slope ensures that the solvent runs into the receiver. If it would be straight, the liquid would just stagnate in it. Boiling chips or anti-bumping granules are added to make the boiling even so that it doesn't bubble too much. If the liquid bubbles a lot, some of the impure liquid can go inside the condenser. Now, one last precaution. If the solvent here, if the liquid here is a volatile liquid, which means that it has a very low boiling point, you need to put the receiver in a beaker containing ice so that the ice will keep the liquid cold so that it does not evaporate quickly. So this is used when we have a volatile liquid inside the receiver. All right, here. So this is all about simple distillation.